Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and start talking about completing the square. Now, these are the following steps. The first step, of course, is to get it in the correct form. So for a quadratic equation to use completing the square, we need it to be in the form of x squared plus bx equals c. Specifically, we need a 1 in front of the x squared, and we need the constant term, the one without an x, on the other side from the two x variables. Once we have it in that form, we're going to take the number in front of x, which is b, and we're going to take that b and divide by 2. So once you divide by 2, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to label that as smiley face. Now, if your b is a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. So it really does matter. Okay, so this is our smiley face. But once you have that answer, you're going to square it. So we're going to square the smiley face. And whatever you get from squaring that, that's going to be some number, and I'm just going to call that a squiggly face. So that squiggly face is actually what we're going to go ahead and use on the next exam, or on the next step. So on that next step, we're going to add that squiggly face to both sides. Once we have that, everything's going to be in the form of x plus bx plus your squiggly face is equal to c plus that squiggly face. And the great thing about this is that this left-hand side will always factor the exact same way as the following, x plus something squared, because this is now guaranteed to be a perfect square trinomial. So the question becomes, what do I put here in this blank? Well, this blank is going to be what we first got when we divided by b, which is the smiley face. So we're actually adding x plus that smiley face squared is equal to whatever this right-hand side becomes. As for the sixth step, we solve the resulting equation by the square root property, what we've just got through doing. Alrighty, well, this is the introduction to how to complete the square. In the next video, we're going to start actually using completing the square. I'll see you there. Have fun.